rescue stray animals and provide cats homes until they can find forever homes.
Well, I love Stray Cat Alliance. I happen to be a cat lover, but I like everything they do.
I support Stray Cat Alliance. I'm actually on the board of Stray Cat Alliance because they do amazing work. Southern California has an amazing community cat issue.
Even though I play a dog on TV, I'm actually a cat guy, and I just love the work that the Stray Cat Alliance does, and really want to support it any way I can.
Saw that it was a Stray Cat Alliance Foundation and I freaked out and said I have to come. My best friend's really upset with me though because I had him sell our 6th row Chris Brown tickets.
It took me a while to admit to myself that I was in fact a cat person, but I am, and now I'm sold. So that's why I'm here.
Los Angeles, you're very fortunate to have Stray Cat Alliance leading this movement to help cats. It's a wonderful resource that most communities simply don't have.